This is an interesting one. Just plugged this fridge in, testing it. Ice maker caught on fire. See if it'll do it again. Yep. That's a new one. Better shut it off. It stinks. Some fireworks or something in there. Whew. Well, anybody got any ideas on why it would do that? Literally shoot fire out of there. You're gonna have to comment or speculate or laugh, like, subscribe, all of it. Just for that, let's do it one more time. It's kind of funny, isn't it? Alright, here we go. Didn't do it that time. Not yet. Well, glad I got it on video. I'm making some noises. And stinking. Alright. And this is a GE side by side.